The following is for educational purposes only. Cell phone monitoring can only be done legally by a parent to monitor their child's phone.
Hey guys, welcome back to Total Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you two proven methods to monitor the WhatsApp messages on another phone that you do not have physical access to. Right from the comfort of your own smartphone or PC, you'll be able to see all incoming and outgoing WhatsApp messages on another device. And the best part about this is you do not need to be able to touch the phone in order to do this. If you guys enjoy this content, make sure you check out some of my members only videos. I promise you will not be disappointed. And as always, if you have any questions or need any help, please leave me a message in the comments below and I will get back to you. The first and the easiest method to monitor the WhatsApp messages from an account remotely is by using the dual app feature available on all Android phones. So let's say that you had a child and you were concerned they were talking with some people online they shouldn't be. All you would need to do is send them a 6-digit code and then confirm it in order to have full access to their WhatsApp account. Here's how the process works. First, open your Android phone, click on the settings icon and scroll down to App Management. Under App Management, search for the dual app feature. Click on it and enable WhatsApp specific mirroring. Once you do this, a new WhatsApp icon will appear in your home screen. Open it and enter the phone number of the account user that you want to monitor. Next, the target device will receive a 6-digit code, and once you confirm that code, your phone will instantly be linked to their account. From there, not only will you be able to read all of their WhatsApp chat, but you will also be able to control and respond to their messages as well. Linking WhatsApp accounts is a great way to keep track of another device, but what if you want to make this process even simpler? What if you want to monitor another phone without having to send any code at all? The tool you're going to use is 𝐥𝐤𝐤𝐞. Few people realize this, but modern cell phone monitoring software does not require you to be able to touch the phone in order to monitor it. Instead of downloading software to the phone directly, all you need to do is link the target's Apple ID with your online 𝐥𝐤𝐤𝐞 account. And from there, you'll be able to read all of the target's WhatsApp chat on your phone going forward. Recently I had a client I will call Amber, who needed help monitoring her teenage daughter's phone. Amber explained to me that while she did have legal custody over her daughter, at the moment, her daughter was living away from home. So she needed a more reliable means to monitor her daughter's WhatsApp messages in order to help keep her safe. I explained to Amber that with her permission, I can remotely connect to a device that both her and her daughter had used in the past, and then use a password extractor such as Tenoshare's For You key in order to link her daughter's Apple ID with her mother's online 𝐥𝐤𝐤𝐞 account. And once those two accounts were linked, Amber will be able to secretly monitor everything her daughter was doing on WhatsApp. Amber said yes. I then remotely connected to the device that Amber requested me to. I extracted the Apple ID and then gave Amber full access to all of her daughter's WhatsApp messages. I never had to touch the phone, and the best part about this was Amber's daughter had no idea that her mother was now monitoring her WhatsApp messages. Well guys, I really hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, make sure to check out some of my members only content. I promise you will not be disappointed. And again, if you aren't clear about anything I said in this video, please leave me a message in the comments below and I will get back to you. Thanks for stopping by, and I will see you in the next video.